We have two more sets of exercises to practice our determiners, each, every, either, neither, another set for less and fewer. So we will do some exercise for us to fill in with these determiners in the sentences with correct meaning. Okay, D. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. With determiners like each. I have here each. Filling with each. Every. Every. Then either. Either or neither. Or. So we're going to practice our determiners, each, every, either, neither, in the sentences that I'm going to write. So this is the fourth exercise. Fill in the blanks with each, every, either, neither. Okay? Now let's look at the sentences I have for you. The first sentence is, dash of the two boys were found. Dash. Dash of the two boys were found. And the next, second sentence we have, you can stand on. You can stand on dash side. The third sentence, dash soldier was at his post. And the fourth sentence, dash seat in the auditorium, was occupied. So the four sentences I have written up for us to fill in with the words, the determiners that I've given you, each, every, either, neither. Dash of the two boys were found. Neither of them. Neither of the two boys were found. Neither. Neither of the two boys were found. Good. You can stand on either side. Very good. Either, both sides, that means. You can stand on either side. Both sides. Next, Dash soldier was at his post. Every soldier. Very good. Every soldier was at his post. Dash seat in the auditorium was occupied. So, you can say the last one is every. Okay? Each soldier, this is each soldier, sorry. Each soldier was at his post and every seat in the auditorium was occupied. So we are filled in with determiners each. Each soldier was at his post. Every seat in the auditorium was occupied. Either. You can stand on either side. Neither of the two boys were found. Now finally, we go to the last. There's one more exercise for us to do. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the determiners. What are the determiners here we are going to use? We are going to learn to fill in with the determiners less. We are going to use to fill it up with less or fewer. Less or fewer. Two determiners in these less or fewer. When you say less, we mean quantity. And when we say few, we mean number. Now I have some sentences here. We are going to fill in the blanks with less or fewer. That's the last sentence. That's the last of the exercise. With the determiners less and fewer. And I give you few sentences to fill in correctly. The first sentence I have here is, no dash than 20 than 20. Students were absent. Were in class. And the next I have here, second sentence, his earnings, his earnings are no dash than rupees than rupees 5,000. Thousand. Thousand every day. His earnings are dash. His earnings are no dash than rupees 5,000 every day. And the third sentence I have here is, no dash than, no dash than 1,000 civilians, 1,000 civilians have have been killed. Have been killed in the air raids. And in the last final sentence we have, the fourth sentence we have here, this packet weighs, this packet weighs this packet weighs dash than 20 pounds. So I have the four sentences for you, and now let's fill in with the determiners less and fewer. No dash than 20 students were absent in class. No fewer than. What is the meaning of fewer? Fewer means number. We are talking about number. So no fewer. No fewer than 20 students were absent in class. His earnings are no less than rupees 5,000 every day. No less than. Less than 5,000 every day. And the fourth one, no dash than 1,000 civilians have been killed in the air raid. No fewer than. No fewer than 1,000. No fewer than 1,000 civilians have been killed in the air raids. And finally, this packet weighs less than 20 pounds. We have learned to fill in the determiners, each, every, either, neither, less and fewer in these sentences.